Okay, so Belgium economic contribution to the global economy. So Belgium is crucial in global economy with its strategic location, highly developed infrastructures, and different industries. So the first one is strategic location and trade. So, Belgium has been a major hub in international trade due to its location in Europe and access to major ports such as Antwerp, one of the world's biggest ports actually. It serves as a gateway for goods going across Europe and beyond. And the second one is the diverse industrial base. The economy is based on sectors like chemicals, automotives, food processing, pharmaceuticals, and technology. Belgium companies rely on advanced research and innovations to stay competitive. And the third one is the global trade agreements. As part of the European Union, Belgium enjoys trade agreements and economic policies that improve its access to the global market. And the fourth one is Belgium always focus on sustainability. Belgium invests in green technology and sustainability practices in line with the global efforts to combat climate change while maintaining economic growth. And the last one is highly skilled workforce. Belgium's education system produces a skilled labor forces which attracts foreign investment in advanced sector. So the ideas that I learned from the video documentary is first adaptation to globalization. Belgium has embraced globalization by focusing on export-oriented industries and maintaining open markets. Second one, importance of infrastructure. Modern transport systems like ports and railways are critically to Belgium's role as a trade hub. Investment in technology and research. Investments in technology and research keep Belgium competitive in high values industries. Balancing economic growth with sustainability and addressing economic disparities remain as a big challenge. If I'm relating to my country, the first one is we need the support. Because if your country also relies on trade, the emphasis on infrastructure and trade agreements aligns with your economy focuses. Investment in research and technology might mirror your country's strategies for remaining competitive globally. And third one is the second one is refute. If your country faces challenges like limited trade access or undeveloped infrastructures, actually Belgium's approach could highlight areas needing improvement. A lack of emphasis on sustainability in your country might contrast with Belgium's green initiatives.